then uh, when that position we will get, that position everywhere Vrindavan will come to reveal in our heart. But it is very high thinking. Before that, many things necessary. Before marriage, association, then many things will come, then we can produce something. Otherwise, only we shall try to conceive, and nothing produce. Like Hare Krishna.
Any other friends?
Any other friends, any question?
Ask any question.
It is easy to me to give answer. Otherwise,
Mark will be
yes,
yes, Mother.
yes.
Not a very good question, but when you get stuck in your spiritual life and you seem to be going nowhere, you're just kind of at the same place all the time, full of doubts, and you can't see God, and then you're just ordinary person, and you look at the deities, it's like, you don't really see Krishna, you don't hear Krishna. What can you do to advance? Right?
When you get stuck, stuck means in one place we cannot make our progress, we cannot hear Krishna, we cannot see Krishna, we cannot understand Krishna. We are trying, but we are feeling we are stuck in one place, we cannot progress.
Yes.
What shall we do then?
We're looking at the deity.
We are seeing the deity, but we're not seeing Krishna. We're hearing Harinam, we're not hearing Krishna. What shall we do? We cannot get any progress. And we are very ordinary people, and we cannot do.
It is very nice question.
Yes.
Not it is very so important question for everybody, not for you alone. It is for all the practitioners' question. They are practicing, but not progressing. And that is the main vital point. Why they are not progressing? They are trying to practice Krishna consciousness, and already they are practicing also. But feelings not coming so nice way to them. Then you must think why it is not coming. And if there is two also feelings. One is very perfect feelings. If it is with you, then you have no problem. Really you are progressing. And another is, really he is not progressing. Feelings not coming to him. Mahaprabhu had said, Na prema bandhasti darapi me haro, krundami sobhagya bharam prakashitum.
Bhakshi Vilasa.
And other sloka. Other sloka in Sikkashtakam.
Nam Namakari Bahura.
Nam Namakari Bahudali Sarva Shakti Staptarkitani Amita Smaranena Kalo. Etadrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamati Duddaipa Midrisha Mina Jami Nama Raga. You appear in the name of Krishna. Many names, Govinda, Madhava, Hare, Mukunda, Murari. You get many names in this world, and there your full power also present. But I am chanting, really I am not getting association of that Harinam. And what for? I do not know. I think it is my very durbhagya.
Great misfortune.
Great misfortune, that is, I am not getting association of Harinam. Real Harinam, it will reveal in our heart. Then that result, immediately, we must will get. But we are not getting that. And when Mahaprabhu said it, there we will think, Mahaprabhu, he had full feelings and full association of Krishna he is getting. but he needs more and more. That is, he is not satisfied with that revelation.
Yes, revelation.
Revelation. And what he getting something, he is very unsatisfied. That is, he is thinking যে এটা আমার দুর্ভাগ্য যে আমি পেলাম না.
It's my misfortune I could not get it.
It is my misfortune that I could not get it. And Mahaprabhu telling me. But for ourselves also, that type of many, we are not feeling. We are worshipping, we are telling Krishna, we are thinking we must progress. But progressment not happening. And which way we understand that is in joyfulness not coming in our heart, mind not fulfilling through that devotional mood, and also we are not getting strong faith, firm faith not coming to us. And there what we shall do? This is your question. If that position we have, what we will do? That time we shall try to get a good Vaishnava association. If you will get that, we will search a real practitioner who is practicing Krishna consciousness 24 hours. And real practitioner, we shall try to get his association. Association means his advice, talking with him, dadati pariginnati guchchamakhyati pritchati bhukte bhujayate chaiva sarvidham priti lokkanam, na?
Yes.
That is called association.
Yes.
But you tell dadati means
Giving.
Giving to him what relation we are keeping in this mundane world with our relative. That type association we shall try to get with affectionately and regardful way a good Vaishnava. And through him, by his mercy, we can understand and we can feel why we are not getting that inspiration. We are doing archan, worship of the Lord. Somebody's house, maybe they are deity, somebody not deity, other forms, trying to serve the Tulasi Devi and trying to progress anyway, trying to do Harinam Sankirtan, chanting beads, but not feeling coming in heart. But it is not very good for us, no doubt. Behind there, some offensive mood of us, it is present. But with the association of a good Vaishnava, it will be clean up. And then feelings, happiness, and attachment from this detachment from this mundane
mundane attraction.
Mundane attraction, it will be
removed.
When someone eating food, first he is feeling some happiness, his belly going full way, and hungerness also going out. The hungerness for this mundane world, it will go out. And feelings of Krishna consciousness, it will reveal in our heart. And bhakti pareshanubhav, feelings, and activity of devotion, it will happily grown up within my nature. And then we can feel it is happen my progressment. Huh?
Progress.
Otherwise, happen my progress.
we can feel our progress is happening. This has come.
Otherwise, we cannot feel it.
Right.
Then necessary to get a good practitioners association. Well, that must be good. Otherwise, if any egoist person who have much ego, I am devotee, I am practicing Krishna consciousness 15 years, somebody I am 20 years, somebody 25 years, like me 40 years, but not will be good. Their association with humility, tolerant and giving honor to others. Who is practicing Krishna consciousness under guidance of some sadhu? His association must be perfect. And if you try to get it, that will be good. Otherwise, another way, many question and answer, you will see some of the books of our Guru Maharaj and Srila Swami Maharaj. If you try to read, if you not get that type of Vaishnava, if you try to read that books, and also many books, externally, many books we can see, religion book, that is Garuda Puran, Sattik Puran, many Puran, Garuda Puran, tarpore Padma Puran is very big, and there, that is Srimad Mahabharata, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If you read minorly, you will get strength in your mind. Gita is the best for all, but you only, actually, আপনি এগিয়ে পড়েছেন অনেকটা। Advance, you actually advance in Krishna consciousness line. Then question answer of Guru Maharaj's book and Srila Swami Maharaj's book, it will be very helpful for you, I can say it. And it's coming time to the mind of the devotee. That's also not immediately anybody can reject. That is, you are telling this truth, then immediate someone, if try to reject your idea, that is very bad for him, not for you. It's coming to the devotee's mind. That first stage is utsahamai, very enthusiasm coming to the primary practitioners. After few years, it is going Ghanatarala. Fate.
Melting away.
Melting away. It is
Liquid.
oh, very difficult to express it.
Melting away, disappearing.
And then pulling this, you tell Maharaj, then I can understand.
This is good, Maharaj.
Melting away.
Melting
it is
away.
Disappearing.
Disappearing. Melting away.
Melting away.
Melting away.
Away.
Yes.
Then one word 3 times I heard, or maybe 4 times, I cannot understand.
I cannot.
Which way I can say to you?
I cannot speak it properly. It's my fault.
It's when coming in the mind of the devotee, it will come. That time necessary to get a good association. Bhaktivinoda Thakur told in his book Chaitanya Charita Shikshamrita. You will see there, last chapter, there it is. Ghanatarala, Tarangarangini, Utsamai, Ghanatarala, Tarangarangini, Visaya Sangara. Many stages will come in the life of practitioners. At that time, sadhu sangha is necessary, very important. Then not will go other way. It will be very good. And when and where not possible to get sadhu sangha, their book is very good sadhu sangha, like that. Very valuable. And I have got myself experience, I have some. I have got much help. Once, 15 days I was in hospital. Anyway, that's my bad fortune. That time, hospital, that is, my lungs plura ছিঁড়ে গিয়েছিল।
Some rupture.
Exercise, that time I am doing exercise.
Burst, lung burst.
Lungs plura, some plura. But that time I was in hospital, then Guru Maharaj gave me one book that's named Jaiva Dharma. And Guru Maharaj told you read this book now. In the bed I have no work. Then Guru Maharaj told you read this book. And when I read that book, I have got much strength through that book. That is, I can say, you can read Jaiva Dharma if you will get it. That is very good book. Otherwise, Guru Maharaj has many books. Srila Swami Maharaj has many question answer book. That will be good for us. But Guru Maharaj's question answer, it is mild way, giving nourishment way, and Swami Maharaj is very strong. He is eating way sometimes. Everybody may not digest that. But Srila Swami Guru Maharaj's question answer is very mild way. I have also few. But everybody may not digest that. But Srila Swami Guru Maharaj's question answer is very mild way. I have also few, but that maybe English is not perfect. Yes, Prabhu?
Swamiji, is it necessary to do after chanting some meditation, or just chanting is enough?
In the chanting time, when we will get the mantra, that we are getting actually seeds of the mantra. Necessary to give planting and give proper nourishment. Then it will come out and reveal in our heart. And that time, what we will think? Nothing necessary to think. Only mood of prayer we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Mood of prayer. Hey Hare, Hey Krishna, please reveal in my heart. Then they will show their form. That is transcendental form. Hare Krishna Mahamantra and Radha Krishna is non-different. It is in the scriptures, Jaya Namo Dheya Munivinda Geya He Janaranjanaya Paramaksharakrite. Paramaksharakrite. That is akshar means letter form. But it is Param Jaya Jaya Harinam Chidanandam Mritadham Paratattva. Paratattva means Supreme Personality of Godhead. He, in form of the letter, appear in this mundane world, and through the preceptorial line in my heart, it will reveal this is my prayer. Somebody asking, that time I shall think Radha Krishna Murti, or I shall think the Nitai Gaur, or I shall think any Vrindavan Leela of Krishna and chant Hare Krishna. Not necessary to do that. That can take us other way. But only mood of prayer, if we chant Hare Krishna, without offense, 10 kind of offense, that necessary to
Study, remember and avoid.
Avoid. Study, remember and avoid. 3 অক্ষর বললেন আমি কি করে বুঝবো? Avoid. Then that Maha mantra must reveal in our heart and show his form. He will show.
So one doesn't need to make a conscious effort to get into meditation now, that it will come spontaneously.
So we don't need to make a special effort for meditation. It will come to us automatically if we chant
Not meditation necessary. Meditation means ওটা, this also one kind of meditation. এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে ওটা অত্যন্ত মানে আগ্রহের সঙ্গে,
with great eagerness, with great hankering and eagerness,
hankering, eagerness,
earnestness, agraha,
another
sincerity,
Earnestness.
earnestness bolan, sincerity.
এটা মানে অত্যন্ত মানে maybe that is. But hankering,
Hankering is correct.
hankering that is for Rupanuga Bhakti, Raga Bhakti.
Raga.
There will be workful hankering. Here also hankering, no doubt, otherwise why you will do that? But not only hankering, it is with full sincerity.
Yes, one more question.
Ah.
Some people say that they don't have as much time as they would like to devote to this. Like working here 8 to 5 in jobs and everything. If someone doesn't have as much time as they would like to, then what to do?
Like to chant. Time.
Let us say
They don't have so
someone
much
has less
time.
Ah.
He's working, someone's working, they don't have so much time. They have only little time. Then what can they do to take?
Little time, what for? What for little time? That I am asking.
For what?
What for? Chanting? For chanting or?
Let us say someone to support himself, like working.
That's I understand. But what for? Chanting time is little.
Chanting time and let us say it has very little time to chant and do devotional service and everything. Then what is the remedy for that?
It is when will come, মানে যখন প্রয়োজন বোধটা খুব বেশি হবে আর কি,
When the necessity is
necessity will come in my mind that it is necessary for me and I need it, then time also will come gradually.
necessity is the
And
mother,
first thing.
mother of
And
invention.
second thing is that, but we are living and our activity may be non-stopping way, but chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it is with, ওটা কি বলে, ওটা not meditation, ওটা that is, Guru Maharaj told very nice English, I forget that. যে ওটা বেশ মানে quantity and quality, Maharaj, two things.
Yes.
One is quantity.
Connotation and denotation.
Quantity and quality.
Yes.
Quality.
Mm.
Quality, we shall see quality
First.
of chanting.
Mm.
That is anchoring and necessity, sincerity, humility, tolerant, with all mixing away some English maybe, and that mood, with that mood, eagerly we shall try to chant, maybe not 16 rounds or maybe not 30 rounds,
Eager.
maybe 4 rounds. But if we will try to chant and see the quality, then also more and more chanting spirit will come to me. And time also will come for the practicing life. Jai Guru Maharaj.
It was nice day. Mohan Bachchan.
Achha.
Zahabni.
Prabhu?
Can you explain the term samyama?
Sangyama.
Sanjama.
Samyama?
Yes,
Sangyama.
yes.
Sangyama.
Sanjam means sense control. Sense, we have sense, chakku, karna, nasika, jibha, tongue. That is eyes, ear, chakku, karna, nose, tongue, and the
Touch.
skin. First necessary to try to control this fifth senses,
Five senses.
five senses. And it is possible by practice. Two ways. One way is yoga marga. They have some practicing process. They are showing that, and through that we can control the senses. And in the bhakti marga, they are practicing process not always is same with the yoga marga, but here engaged yourself, every senses have every part of activity.
Function.
That is, Narottam Das Thakur said, Kam Krishna Karmarpane, Krodh Bhakta Deshi Jane, Lobh Sadhu Sanghe Hari Katha, Madha Krishna Gunakhane Maha Ishta Labha Vine Nijukta Karibo Yatha Tatha. It is Narottam Das Thakur's advice that we have all the senses, and not only that, we are suffering from them. And if we try to engage them this way, when our strong activity will appear, and that full energy, if we use to the service of Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan, then it will be controlled automatically. But Srimad Bhagavad Gita said, no jayat rasam javat jitam sarvam jite rase. Tavat jitendriya nasya bijitannendriya puman no jayat rasam javat jitam sarvam jite rase. We cannot say him as a sense control man, sense control man. If he is all senses control and not to control his tongue, that is called jiva, then we not will say he is sense control man. We cannot say that. It is in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And why? That is food given us much energy. And foods have palatable.
Yes, palatable.
Palatable food,
Quality, yeah.
very quick. Quality and palatable food giving very quick. Nourishment with energy. And through that, if we cannot serve any liberated soul, then it will be cause of my bondage. Bondage. Then Bhakti Marga, they are showing always do the service, and you engage your energy for the service to Guru Vaishnava. And this is the process. And tongue control process is that you must not eat anything without Mahaprasadam. Mahaprasad, Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, it is transcendental. Appear in your form as jara, material. But when it is offered to the deity, it is must got form of transcendental. And if you will taste it and eat it with full faith, then your all the senses very easily will be controlled, and you can do seva of Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur's advice. You know, when we are eating Mahaprasadam, that time one song we are singing, that Sarira Vidyajal, Jarendira Tahekal, Jive Phale Vishoy Sagare, তার মধ্যে জিভাবতী লোভময় সুদূরমতি তাকে যেটা কঠিন সংসারে কৃষ্ণ বড় দয়াময় করিবারে জিহ্বা জয় Krishna is very merciful and for that he given this Mahaprasadam for the control of the senses of jiva, of the tongue. And this Mahaprasadam is given and you eat that and chant Hare Krishna and you can control your tongue. And if you can control your tongue, you easily can control your other senses. It is advice of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And this is